Hi guys, Sithix6 here, and this is my daily Rubik's Cube solve. So I haven't posted in a few days because I was sick, like really sick. And before we get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has helped me with my Rubik's Cube solves. Like there has been a lot of you who truly helped me get better and just gave me tips on how to get better, because the way I got into cubing was through Google, and I didn't really know which algorithms to memorize or to learn. And it's nice knowing that there are a lot of you pointing me in the right direction. So thank you. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna close my eyes. Hi, my Lola. Okay, so this is a scramble that I got. And as far as my inspection goes, the furthest I could do is solving the cross. And after that, everything is intuitive. Okay. Three, two, one. Oh my god, I forgot this. Oh my god. So this is what happens when you don't solve a Rubik's Cube in 3 days. I haven't been practicing at all. Oh my god, what is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. That was horrible. That was horrible.